No more tease ganda. It's time to stand up for stronger
Ni.
hair. By using palm oil naturals,
Ang ganda-ganda
with
ni
100% natural honey balm extracts and avocado oil to help repair multiple signs of damage, making every strand 10 times stronger. So no more tease ganda. Join us and stand up for stronger hair. Have a great hair.
Tiyan mo, sayad na sa lupa. Mga, ayan, ang tiyan ni Nini. Hindi niya na kaya. Up, 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 up. Up, up na, up, up. Tayo ako, tatayo ako. Tayo ako. Tiyan, grabe. Nini, Nini.
With my vibrant new hair color at gusto mo, it stays vibrant for as long as possible.